Dear students, let's continue with the isobar. Okay, what we are going to talk about the isobar. Isobar are the substance which have the different element. Sorry, different element which have different elements with different element with same atomic mass, same atomic mass, and obviously the elements are different, so atomic number also different atomic number. Got it? See the example. You know the argon have atomic number 80 and the mass of argon is 40. Like the argon, calcium which have the 20 atomic number have the mass that is 40. See what is the similarity here? They have the same atomic mass but their atomic number are different and the elements also different here. So this is the explanation about the isobar. Got it? So this is the definition and explanation of isobar. Let's see the next question number 9. Okay, question number 9. What is asked in this question? Sodium ion has completely filled K and L shell. Explain. In this question you have said that sodium ion have a complete K and L shell. Obviously sodium ions means sodium have atomic number 11, means it have 11 electrons. Okay, so distribution of electron is 2, 8 and 1. If sodium lose one electron from the atom, it convert into Na plus, that is positive ion, means here sodium have 10 electrons but 11 protons. That's why it have positive charge. Got it? So the number of cells are 2 here, 1 and 2. First cell known as K, second L, or you know, third is M and then N. So these are the sequence of the shells. So obviously it have the 10 number of electron here only. So they are distributed in the two cells that are K and L that are completely filled. K shall have 2 electron always and L contain the 8 electrons. So this is right about that. So you can explain this answer that when sodium atom convert into the sodium ion, it lose its 1 electron. So it get the 10 electrons remains in the ionic form. So it have the two shell that are the K and L completely filled and M will be empty there by losing the 1 electron. Got it? So this is the explanation about the 9th answer. Let's see the question number 10. In the 10th question you have asked if bromine atom is available in the form of say 2 isotope. आपको ये बोला गया है कि आपके पास ब्रोमीन एटम है और वो किसकी फॉर्म में है? आइसोटोप की फॉर्म में है, जिसमें ब्रोमीन का एटॉमिक नंबर 35, वन आइसोटोप है तुम्हारा जिसमें मास है कितना तुम्हारा 79 एंड अनदर विच कंटेन द मास दैट इज 81 and their percent also given there 49.7% is found in the nature, that is the bromine with 79 mass and the another which have the 50.3%. Okay, this one. Got it? Now calculate the average atomic mass of bromine atom. So to calculate the average mass, you have given that formula that the given the atomic mass of that atom multiplied by the percentage of the that isotope divided by 100. Okay, so by adding both of them you can calculate the value. So another, the mass of another atom, that is the another isotope 81 multiplied by the percentage which is 50.3 and divided by 100. So by solving this we get the answer, that is 39.263 plus 40.743, that is equal to 80.006 AMU. So it is near about 80 mass of bromine atom which we use exactly, that is the average mass which is 80 here. So this is the answer of your next question, 10th. Got it? Now we will see the 11th question. Okay. Okay, in the 11th question you have asked the average atomic mass of a sample of an element X is 16.2 unit. What are the percentage of isotope X 816 and X 818 in the sample? So same, which way we have used the formula. So this is the you have given the element X with 816 and another with the 818. Got it? And atomic mass of X, atomic mass, average atomic mass of X you have given, that is 16.2 unit. So how you can get the total mass? Total mass हमें निकालना है इनका, तो टोटल मास अपने पास आ जाएगा यहाँ पे X का, that is total mass percent. Okay. What are the percentage of isotope? आइसोटोप की परसेंटेज निकालनी है, कौन कितनी अमाउंट में परसेंट में प्रेजेंट है नेचर के अंदर. सो यू कैन अप्लाई दैट वैल्यू इन अ गिवन फॉर्मूला. मास इज इक्वल टू, जो मास अपन ने पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में निकाला था वो क्या है, गिवन मास मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द पी परसेंटेज जो हमें नहीं पता है निकालनी है 100 प्लस अनदर वन इज 18 प्लस पी अपॉन 100. ओके, सोल्व दिस इक्वेशन. जब हम इसको सोल्व करेंगे तो हमारे पास जो वैल्यू आएगी वो आ जाएगी 16p अपॉन 100 प्लस 1800 अपॉन 100 इक्वल टू 18p अपॉन 100 and you get the value, that is 1620 is equal to minus 2p minus 1800 and you get the p is equal to 90%. और ये कह रहा है कि अगर तुम्हारे पास p कितना है 90% है तो दूसरा कितना बच जाएगा, ऑब्वियसली 10%. ठीक है, तो परसेंटेज a कितनी होगी, p is 90%, तो अनदर p कितना हो जाएगा 100 माइनस 90, दैट इज 10%. तो ये हो जाएगा एक हमारा 90% और दूसरा हमारा कितना 10%. तो अपन 90% वाला जो है वो ही यूज में लेते हैं, मीन्स X816 दैट इज द ऑक्सीजन 816 विच इज यूज्ड एवरीवेयर. ओके, सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. नाउ नेक्स्ट in the question, you if Z is equal to 3, Z is 3, Z means atomic number. तुम्हें क्या दिया हुआ है, एटॉमिक नंबर गिवन है. ठीक है, what would be the valency of the element, also name the element. इसकी वैलेंसी क्या होगी ये पूछी है. तो Z अगर हमारे पास 3 है तो हम क्या करें, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन, फर्स्ट सेल कंटेन 2 and second cell 1. So this is the distribution. The number of electron present in the last shell are known as the valence electrons and the gaining of losing of electron from the last cell. इसमें एक ही है, इसको ये क्या करेगा, लूज कर देगा, है ना. तो इसमें क्या हो जाएगा, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल जाएगा. तो लूजिंग ऑफ 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो वैलेंसी क्या होगी इसकी वैलेंसी होगी 1, तो इसकी वैलेंसी भी क्या होगी 1 होगी। वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन भी क्या है इसके अंदर 1 है। और इसने क्या पूछा है इसके साथ में, ऑल्सो नेम द एलिमेंट, तो इसने एलिमेंट का नाम, तो थर्ड नंबर पे अपने को पता है जो एलिमेंट जिसका एटॉमिक नंबर 3 होता है उसका नाम क्या है, लिथियम। क्या है भाई, लिथियम। तो हमारे थर्ड नंबर का एलिमेंट का नाम है लिथियम, जिसमें के शेल है वो भरी हुई है और एल में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन रहता है जो वो डोनेट कर देता है और पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है Li प्लस, सो वैलेंसी विल बी +1. Okay students, so today we have done the question up to 12. I will provide the solution of this question which you have to do in your fair notebook step by step. Okay, don't let them, do complete your work on time and learn them also. Okay, thank you.